Okay, so this is the review of the CAROTE. I think it's said that way. Set, and it's quite useful. So, like every single pot has its own lid. Like you could actually fit this one into this one without any issue. So I really liked it, and this is how this works. You pull it to the back like this, and this thing opens like this. You attach it here, you press, and it's ready to go. My husband didn't love it because it's not that sturdy for him because he's big, but I think that is actually fine. I don't think that it's moving, and you just pull it back and you're free. Like with the ones with the lids, you can insert it here, and there you go. And I think I do like them. I already washed it, and the lids are they're not heavy. I like that. And this is nice. It has a nice size for a family of 3, so usually not a big. I don't do big meals. So that's it, and it comes with 2 handles.
Okay, here we go. The pot is clean, right? Washed, looks nice and all. And the water. Actually, first let me wash this. Washed. Okay. Put soap. Wash this. Now look. Look. Now it's gray. It's all gray. This bleeds out for no reason. I don't understand. Like, get it? Why is it gray?
So this is the box. This is the handle. Like it clips, and you pull down to unlock. Here's the box, the box, cardboard. And it comes with a cloth, which is great to protect them. And this is all you do. Pretty much pretty easy.
So I just got the CAROTE Detachable 11-piece set from Amazon. And it came in this nice, cute little box. But anyway, long story short, this is so nice. These are like rubberized, and the handle's rubberized so it doesn't get hot. And then it has these 5 pans, 6 pans actually. I picked the pink because I'm going pink. And anyway, and then it has the handle, so you can take the handle off and move it to each person, whatever you're picking up. But I am so excited with this. They're such nice quality. I can hardly wait to actually cook with them.
It was time to replace my old cookware, and I stumbled upon a set made by CAROTE Cookware. I cook every day for my family, so I needed something that was durable but also non-toxic. I like the removable handles and the ability to stack them neatly to reduce the clutter in my cabinets. The white stone was gorgeous, and I love that they include lids as well as felt liners to prevent scratches to the pans. This is a beautiful set, and you can find this linked in my Amazon storefront.
You see that? Yeah. That's all from the... Okay. There's another one. Holy crap. On it. All right, turn it off.
Here are the scratches on the pan that I was talking about. I've used nothing but a wooden spoon. And this is just 4 or 5 uses. And you can feel an indentation already.